Y'all, look at my babies. We got a lot of work to do. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with some repotting. I got a repot. We got 2 new annoyees to the garden. Right? This is cornica and this is mint. I got these from Walmart. Right, so we're gonna repot these into these. So I'm finna get my hands dirty. I'll be right back. These little pricks hurt. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty. You see that? Oh, look how pretty. And the roots don't smell like mint, but this side smells like mint. But the roots don't. They smell so good. I know. It's so happy. This fragrance just got like really, really potent. It's like it said thank you. Alright, so this zinnia is no good. It has gone to seed, so I'm gonna just uproot it like that.
What you said? This what?
Zinnia
This what?
has gone to seed. See that? And then this one is on its way, but I don't want to strain the plant anymore. And then this one, we're just gonna cut this down. If I take the head off of this, you think it's gonna sprout another flower?
No, this shit is dead.
It's gone. So this is gone too. So I should uproot this one too.
Uproot it.
It's dying.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Yes, plants are so dry. They should never let this dry, period.
Man, you
It
dry.
look like you just repotted these.
I did.
When?
I just repotted these two.
When?
Right before you came outside.
Alright, but you just repotted those?
No.
Alright, so why the hell they so dry? You drying out your nutrients. You should never get like that, ever. Trying to tell you, man. The boy know what he talking about, bruh.
Whatever, dog. Golly.
Man, I should do my own garden. Show you how it's done, bruh.
Listen, this is my garden time, okay? This is me looking at myself, okay? So get out of here. Why you all in my face? Golly, get on my nerves. Coming in here critiquing me. I don't need you critiquing me. I know my place is,
Let me see how you look, man. Let me get a spin.
No, leave me alone. No,
I can't get a spin.
Coming out here messing with me.
Let me see them
This what I'm gonna have to
toes.
pay for. No, don't show my toes.
I can't show your
No,
toes.
don't show my toes.
Let me see your booty then.
No, why you always trying to look at something?
Let me see that booty.
No. All right. I got one more zinnia and then I'm done with you. Then you can go inside. Look at this.
What is that?
The roots.
That ain't no good root system.
That is a good root
That
system.
ain't no good.
You ain't see how thick
That
that
shit
was?
dry. The root system, they be wet and long and white and healthy,
That
bro.
was wet.
That
This is white and healthy. What was you talking about? Look at my
Man,
babies.
that shit is not. Ain't no long
Look at
roots.
this.
That shit is done.
It was in a small pot. It was in a container.
Why?
And look how
Why?
big it grew in that small container.
It ain't even fill
So
up the pot.
imagine if it was in the ground.
If it's so in such a little pot, the root's supposed to take up the whole pot, and you would need to repot it. So those roots was horrible.
You need to be repotted.
I do need to be repotted. You gonna repot me?
Don't play with me.
I need you to repot me.
You want to be grounded?
Oh yeah, you can ground me, baby.
Exactly. Tell him, babe.
Close the door, bro. I'm just talking crap. She can edit this all out. Just put some music in the place of me talking.
Daddy, what happens if there's no bees?
There'll be no honey.
Yeah, let me just take these out. This one had a flower on it. I could have saved it. Can I still save it? No, I can't save it.
Cause I need to do film. That's what I'm saying. I need to be in film with these cameras on some angles, bro. I ain't looking at your butt.
Fat man?
I ain't even looking at your butt.
Yeah, we're gonna see.
You
What's
done?
that, dog? Yelling at me from across the way. You so hard-headed, dude. Why you finna make me have a whole bunch of editing to do? Please. Please.
Alright, we done?
Yeah,
Let
we
me get
done with
out
the
of here.
zinnias. Bye. Alright, y'all. So my husband has really blew me. Like, literally. Like, golly. I was such in a good zen space when I came out here, looking at what I've accomplished, what I've neglected, what I'm experimenting on, and what has just had its process. You feel me? Everything is doing what it's supposed to do. You feel me? It's cold outside. Have I been negligent? Yes, I have been negligent to my garden. My babies. It's time to refocus. So now we just going to pull these out and make this into a new bed. But I want to put something here that's not going to be forever. I need something that's going to be temporary. A temporary plant. Uh-oh, uh-oh. We got this one. I didn't see you over there. Camouflage with the weeds. Alright, you guys, so I have to go. My battery is going dead. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shade butter, baby.